This set of exercises is a progression from the breaststroke prep exercises. So you start with the arms at a 90-degree angle from shoulder and elbow. As the previous exercise, on that inward breath, you prepare by drawing the shoulders back and down into the V. Outward breath, you're going to lift and hover the arms off the floor. Control that V without letting those elbows sink back too far. And then if you glance your head from right to left, the hand and elbow should be level off the floor. Make sure your hand's not dipping too close to the floor, which might then be lifting the shoulder blade off the rib cage, and relax. You can then repeat this position, but extending the arms into a full T shape. Inward breath, you draw the shoulder blades back and down into that V. Outward breath, lift and hover the arms. From this position, you could also pulse the arms up and down like wings, keeping that V shape with the shoulder blades. And relax. The next step, we're starting recruiting the upper traps a little bit more. So you take the arms up into a Y shape. Same again, inward breath, you prepare by drawing back into the V. Outward breath, lift and hover into the Y shape. And relax. Once you're confident with those movements and you feel the work coming from the mid-back between the shoulder blades rather than the lower back or neck, try starting from the T shape, lifting and hovering on that outward breath, taking the hands all the way up overhead, trying to touch those fingertips. Keep the neck nice and long and keep flowing through this movement. You could always pass a weighted ball overhead and relax back down. And then the final exercise, you go back into that original W-shaped position and we're going to move through a breaststroke motion. So you push the arms up and overhead and sweep round through breaststroke and continue moving through that range of motion. Keep the neck nice and long, shoulder blades drawn down into that V shape, and relax.